Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Southern with Charm. My name is Christy. I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to check out this video and all of the other videos on my channel. And I would love for you to subscribe. Today's video is going to be my Christmas home tour. I'm going to take you around and show you all of the pieces, and then I will go back and tell you where I purchased any of the new pieces and how much I paid for them. So again, thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to leave your comments down below and also give this video a thumbs up, and have a great day. Okay, I'm going to start with my wreath on my front door, which is Santa Claus. And it says ho ho ho. And then on my stairs, I have Santa Claus with a snowman sitting on his shoulder, and then an elf sitting on top of the snowman's head. I found this at Kirkland's many years ago, and I thought it was adorable. And then on my entryway table, I have two accent trees. They both came from Target. They are the bigger size. They were $3 a piece. And then I have this tray with these candle holders sitting on it, and inside I have a dark red color candle. And then next to my table I have this ladder with these snowmen that are climbing up. Another item that I got from Kirkland's many years ago that I thought was adorable. Then on my coffee table, I have a snowman countdown to Christmas. My daughter loves this. And just some greenery, and then a soy candle that is scented apple pie. And then I have these three small candles with candle rings around them. I believe these are Better Homes and Gardens. I got them again many years ago at Walmart. And then on the top of my entertainment center, I have two Christmas trees that I recently got at Kirkland's for Black Friday. I discussed them in my Black Friday haul, which should be live soon. They were $16.99 a piece, and I got them 45% off. The lanterns I already had. And then the Believe sign I got from Target in the dollar spot, and I think it was $3. And then the bottles behind it, I got that piece from Michael's when they were having a 60% off sale. And then the greenery pieces I got from Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I think they were like $1.99 a stem, but I'm not 100% sure. And then over here, I have one of my benches, and I just recently got that buffalo check blanket from Kirkland's for Black Friday, and with my discount, it was $6.94. And then here is my Christmas tree. And I will link the video down below of me decorating the tree if you want to see how I did that, and how I did the ribbon. This is the first year that I tried ribbon, and I'm pretty excited about how it turned out. I think it looks great. And then my fireplace, the two sleigh pieces that are down there on the bottom came from Kirkland's, and they are many years old, so I'm not really sure how much I paid for them. I found this ladder with the snowman on it at, it was a restaurant, and I can't for the life of me think of the name of it. But it was after Christmas. They were having a sale, and I thought it was adorable, so I bought it. Those two throw pillows I got at Walmart. They were $5 a piece. And then up here I have a Christmas sign. And I want to say that I got this from Oriental Trading or somewhere crazy. I thought it was really cute, and I bought it online. And I was really shocked that the store that I bought it from actually had this type of decor, and that's why I want to think it's Oriental Trading. I'm not 100% sure. And then I have 2 lanterns on each end. I actually found those at Kroger, again, many years ago, and my garland also came from Kirkland's. And I think that I got that sleigh that says Joy on it from Home Depot last year. So I'll back up and give you one more view of everything. Okay, in my kitchen, I'll start over here near my pantry. I have this reindeer door hanger that was given to me at a gift exchange at work. And I have a wreath hanging right there next to the pantry door. And let me take you back over here to the area next to my stove. I have this sign that says, "And Heaven and Nature Sing," and I got this from Hobby Lobby along with this small tree that's wrapped in a burlap sack next to it. And then over here in my windowsill, I have a sign that says Noel, and it came from the Target dollar spot. Again, I think it was $3. I can't remember exactly. It was either $3 or $5. And then I have 2 Yankee candles next to it. And then I have this fat snowman cookie jar that I think is so cute. And then over here, we'll start with my hutch. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that this is a project piece of mine, and I'm sorry about the lighting. For some reason, this little area of my house, it just is really, really dark. But I am planning on chalk painting this and either selling it or keeping it. But for right now, it's just sitting here, and this is how I decorated it for Christmas. I have a little sign up there that says Holidays, which I got from Kirkland's a few years ago. It says Happy Holidays, I'm sorry. And then I have a few shelf sitters. There's that snowman right there. And then one over here on the other side. And he's holding a little sign that says Merry Christmas. And then the middle shelf sitter is Santa Claus. And then I have these 2 pieces on each side, which are oil diffusers. And then in my powder room, hanging on the door, I have a cute little wreath that has a snowman in it, and it's hard to see on there, but it says "We Love Snow." And then over here in the corner, I have a metal Merry Christmas sign. And then sitting right here, I have a countdown to Santa, which I know I've already got one in my living room, but my daughter really likes them, so we have 2. And I got this wooden tree from Hobby Lobby, and I also got the small tree in the burlap sack from Hobby Lobby. I was gonna look and see the tag was still on here, and it was $7.99, but I got it during the 50% off sale at Hobby Lobby. And then last but not least, the second favorite part of my Christmas decor. I love my tree this year, but I am crazy in love with how my 3-tiered shelf turned out. And I'm going to go ahead and admit that I had help from my best friend. I went and purchased all of the little pieces to put on it, and then she came over and helped me arrange it. I got this little reindeer from Target in a small accent tree. and then another reindeer with another tree behind it. And then I got this little house from Target in the dollar spot. And also that little house came from Target. And then the greenery and the wood pieces came from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just so excited again about how that turned out. I just think it's adorable. And that is all for my Christmas home tour. Thank you so much for watching.